Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper greenhouse pop-up card. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies and the template below the video to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. You'll need to cut the greenhouse. I chose white cardstock paper, but you could do this on black, green, or brown. You need 2 sheets of white to cut 4 pieces. That will be the greenhouse. And I added a print and cut shape that will go on the back side. And that is optional to print, but this shape will be also what helps us score the lines, or you could use a ruler. I'm starting with this piece, which will be the back piece, and we'll be going in order from the back to the front. Score the edge on the bottom side. This will be a little tab for us to connect the pieces. Then there will be 2 middle pieces that will be going in between the greenhouse, and one of them score the bottom tab and the thinner tabs right against the house shape to both sides. Then fold tabs down the middle. Then for the second middle piece, you'll do the same, folding the tabs, but you will not be folding it again down the middle for this one. Then the last piece will be the front of the house. It has a door shape in the front. Fold down the tabs on the sides as well. Then put the pieces in order. The first piece will be the back side, the one that doesn't have a door. Then the first middle piece will be the one that you folded the tabs down the middle again, so it has the folded twice. Then the third piece will be another middle piece, but this was only folded once on the tabs. Then the fourth piece will be the front door piece. Connect the first back side and the first middle piece. Connect the bottom tabs first. Then the folded in half piece should meet right against the back piece, and use this white glue to connect the tabs. They do overlap, and also glue the back piece tab over as well and connect over the other side. It should fully be connected, and with the right folds, it should lay flat and box up when you need it to come up. Then glue the sides on the bottom and the thin sides and connect the third piece. This will be another middle piece that didn't have that extra fold down the middle on the tabs, and the tabs should meet right against the first 2 pieces, and this should create this gap between all 3. Connect the other side as well and double check that you can make sure it folds flat and it boxes up. Then continue to glue the same side bottom and overlap the last layer and the piece that has the front door and make it meet right to all the other tabs. There should also be another gap in between that and connect the other side as well. It should all be able to lay flat on either direction and prop up when you need it. This will make the structure of the pop-up card. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been using this free website, playground.com, to find free images, patterns, stickers, and so much more. I got the help to grab some free watercolor plants from here, and you could ask it to change things to customize it to your liking. I had it make some hanging plants too for the greenhouse. These are included in the template already, but you could also find other plants, trees, flowers on playground.com to add onto the greenhouse. I printed the plants on both sides. I did provide the back side for you too, which is just the mirrored part. And make sure to use the print and cut option. The back doesn't really show, so if you only want to print one side, you can do that. Then glue the plants on the bottom strip that goes across, and I added some of the hanging ones on top. The next part is optional. I really like the greenhouse without the back side since you could look through it 360 degrees, but I also wanted to turn this into a Mother's Day card. So I have this back piece where it has this blue sky look, and you can print that and add that to the back with a message on the other side and make it in time for Mother's Day, or you can just leave it without the back side. I think these are going to be perfect for birthday cards, for a plant lover, or just for your work decoration. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.